Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most versatile and easy-to-use Excel tools. If you're a business that needs to assign jobs, match locations, or coordinate work based on geography, our latest tool is exactly what you've been looking for. Today, I'm excited to introduce our Business Locator Excel Tool, a powerful, location-based solution that helps you automatically find the nearest business, branch, or contractor for any job, using nothing more than Microsoft Excel. Whether you're managing 5 jobs or 5,000, this tool takes care of the heavy lifting. It's built specifically to help businesses and service teams eliminate manual location matching by instantly identifying the closest employee for each client. If you've ever had to scroll through lists, compare addresses, or guess who's closest, this tool will save you hours of work and make your operations more efficient right away. Here's how it works. You don't need to install any software or write any code. Simply open the Excel file, paste in your list of job locations, and enter the address of your business locations, service teams, or independent contractors. Then click the Calculate button. In just seconds, the tool will tell you exactly which location is closest to each job. It gives you a clean, easy-to-read list of matches, organized by distance, so you can quickly assign jobs or routes without the guesswork. We've been creating Excel-based automation tools for over 16 years, with more than 7,500 businesses using them to simplify daily operations. And the feedback has been incredible. We regularly hear from users who say this tool alone has saved them hours every single week. What used to take an entire afternoon of manual address checking can now be done in just a few clicks, accurately, efficiently, and consistently. If you're ready to streamline your job assignments, reduce manual work, and start working smarter, click the link in the description to download the Business Locator Excel tool today. If you ever need help, you can call us directly, email us, or reach out through live chat on our website. And yes, when you do, you'll be speaking with a real person, not a bot or automated system. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel so you're the first to know about new tools and updates. Until next time, happy scheduling and happy calculating.